What's up, Cyber World? It's your girl, Ash Beezy Breezy, taking it easy. We chilling out here. Yes, it's hooking up the hair. You see? We got this
Yeah, I'll
hair
hold it
thing.
for you.
We got this hair situation
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah, there you go. See, now her hair is braided for, like I said earlier, she's getting a sew-in with an invisible part. And ladies, yes, that's right. You can have weave in your hair and actually have your own part show through. And I create this illusion that allows the hair to look like it's growing out of her scalp. But the key to a weave is for your braids to be nice and secure and flat to the head. As you can see, I make sure I get all of her hair, and always make sure that in the front, whenever you're doing an invisible part, that your part is on point, because it's going to allow the hair to fall right the way we want it. So this is Ash Breezy. This is before. Now the next step is the sew-in. So next time you see her, her hair will be sewn in, but it won't be done. We still got to cut it and style it, so you'll see the final transformation.
They ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing.
They really ain't.
They ain't gonna be telling me.
All right.